Hello, I'm Dr. Rupa Tekhate, consultant rheumatologist. Often in our rheumatology patients with long-standing inflammatory diseases, there will be another condition with a silent progression, and that is osteoporosis. So what is osteoporosis? Osteoporosis is a condition where the bones become weak and brittle and are prone for breakage or fractures with minimal or no injury or trauma. So in osteoporosis, the bones lose inner structure or the density, bone density and strength and become weak and brittle. So in rheumatology, we see osteoporosis in elderly patients, those with low body weight, vitamin D deficiency, those who smoke, postmenopausal women, and patients with long-standing active inflammatory conditions where it affects the bone mineral density or the bone metabolism, and those requiring steroid treatment for frequent disease flares. It is also common in our rheumatology patients who suffer with pain and stiffness in the muscle and joints, leading to reduced mobility. Osteoporosis is a silent condition where there is barely any symptoms. It often goes unrecognized until a fracture occurs. However, there can be few symptoms, especially when the osteoporosis affects the spine bones. So you can notice in the reduction of the height or stooped posture, or can cause pain if there is any fracture of the spine vertebra. So how do we diagnose or identify osteoporosis? This requires few investigations in the form of blood test for vitamin D, blood calcium levels and parathormone levels, and also we do a bone mineral density test or a DEXA scan. How do we treat osteoporosis? Osteoporosis is totally preventable disease if we identify it early. It involves addressing lifestyle factors, nutrition and medications. So the lifestyle measures are quitting smoking, reducing alcohol intake, regular exercises in the form of weight-bearing exercises, light strengthening exercises, and improving mobility. So nutrition involves adequate vitamin D and calcium supplementation. Medications are such as bisphosphonate, which is in the tablet form or injection form, that is alendronate and zoledronate. Other medications involved include denosumab injection and teriparatide injections. In rheumatology practice, we regularly monitor and screen our patients for development of osteoporosis. As mentioned earlier, osteoporosis is totally preventable disease if we identify it early and take relevant measures. So if you feel you are at risk of osteoporosis, go and see your local rheumatologist as soon as possible. Our bone health starts from today. Thank you.